Don't miss out on the biggest Pinterest marketing secrets of 2024 that could double your income. Discover the top affiliate strategies pros don't want you to know. Right now, if you're tired of guessing and ready for real results, keep watching. In 2024, the landscape of Pinterest has evolved with fresh, creative trends that are captivating users and skyrocketing engagement rates. One of the hottest trends right now is the use of minimalist designs. Clean lines, ample white space, and subtle color palettes are dominating pins, making them visually soothing and easy to digest. This doesn't mean boring. It's all about striking a balance between simplicity and eye-catching elements. Another trend gaining momentum is storytelling through carousel pins. Users are increasingly drawn to pins that unravel a narrative in a series of visually linked images. This format not only keeps users swiping, but also ensures they spend more time on your content, which signals Pinterest's algorithm to boost your visibility. Personalization is also key. Customizable templates allow users to insert their own touches, making the content feel uniquely theirs. Think about creating pins that offer value and can be adapted by your audience, such as things like meal planners, fitness trackers, or mood boards. Additionally, the integration of short videos into pins is proving to be a game changer. Videos that are quick, informative, and packed with value are perfect for today's fast-paced scrolling habits. These can range from quick do-it-yourself tutorials to 30-second recipe demos, providing immediate value to the viewer. So, are you ready to revamp your Pinterest strategy and incorporate these trends into your pins? Which trend are you most excited to try first? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit DigMarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. All right, let's talk about tactics for growing a targeted audience on Pinterest relevant to your niche. First, let's start with optimizing your profile. Make sure your username and profile name have relevant keywords related to your niche. This makes it easier for people to discover you through search. Your bio should be clear and explain what users can expect from your content. Don't forget to include a link to your website or a key landing page. Next, pin consistently. Consistency is key when it comes to building an audience. Aim to pin daily, but also focus on quality over quantity. Pinning high-quality images that are relevant to your niche and resonate with your target audience will keep them coming back for more. Use vertical images with a 2:3 ratio as they perform better on Pinterest. Another great tactic is to join group boards and create your own. Group boards are collaborative boards where multiple pinners can contribute. This allows your content to be seen by a larger audience. Creating your own group board also allows you to invite pinners who are relevant to your niche, fostering a sense of community. Don't overlook the power of keywords. Pinterest functions like a search engine, so using keywords in your pin descriptions, board titles, and even in your username can significantly boost your discoverability. Do some keyword research to find out what terms your target audience is searching for and incorporate those into your content. Using Pinterest analytics is crucial for growing your audience. Regularly check your analytics to see which pins are performing best, which boards are gaining traction, and where your traffic is coming from. This data can provide insights that help you tailor your content strategy to better suit your audience's preferences. Lastly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Thank users who repin your content and interact with other pinners in your niche. This builds a loyal community around your brand and encourages more engagement. What tactics are you excited to implement first? Let's hear about your plans in the comments.